So we are partners with WWF. We're part of WWF Forest Forward. And of course, this is massively powered by this platform, explorer.land, which is amazing because you have all the projects in one place. So it's a one-stop shop and it's curated projects, all nature related and sponsored by the Panda people, which lends a lot of credibility to the global efforts. And it's nice because it's like entering the nature pavilion here, where you can look at all the good things that have been inspired and that cross-pollinate with one another. So it's fairly easy to use and access. We have the QR code here on our roll-up, but then eventually it will be enriched with even more links, not just to the respective websites, but to press releases, and very useful for investors to take a look at. And then they can have a fair idea of what the project consists of. And it's like a satellite view of real projects on the ground done by real people with real backup by, those who are reputable and knowledgeable about how to protect forests for generations to come.